Okay, so what have we got to show you today? Well, today we're back on Cadac. Yay! I hear everybody go, Cadac and Tintenta are back together. Look, it's been such an awful year, isn't it, with lockdown and not being able to get out and about. So I'm going to share something else with you, which is a Cadac product, which is the same as the Cadac Safari Chef 2, but it's just a slightly different version. This one is the HP, so it's the high pressure one where you put the little gas canisters underneath it. You do not need to plug this into a big gas bottle or a caravan or a motorhome or any of those things. You can pop this in the back of the car, put it in a backpack. It's perfect for tenting, perfect for days out. And I just needed to show you this. I wanted one because we haven't been able to take the tin tent out now for, well, it's lockdown. How anybody has managed to do much caravanning or camping or motorhoming in the last year, I do not know. But this means that we can still go out for days out when we're allowed to, the odd picnic and fire up a little tiny barbecue and do some cooking, make a brew, do all sorts of things. So it's arrived. I've got this one from Camping World. Bought it online, there you go, campingworld.co.uk, cost me £115. Don't tell Mrs. T, she doesn't think it quite cost that much, but I'm going to unpack it now and show you what the 2021 Cadac Safari Chef 2 HP version is all about. Let me unpack and we'll come back and have a quick look. So there you go. Out of that big box comes a smaller box, and it's a Cadac Safari Chef 2. And as I said, this is the HP version. So it's one that takes the high pressure canister that just screws in underneath. You can just see it there on the picture, but we will show you more as we go on. There's the details on the box. Shows you what's in there. For a start, it's only 5 kilos, so it's nice, lightweight. You've got 4 different surfaces that you can actually cook on, which is perfect. Use for garden, caravanning, camping. This is perfect. This is really is. Oh, look, even includes that absolutely spot on, really good Cadac bag. So I'm going to unpack it and we're going to have a look at it. And then, well, see what you think. I, for one, cannot wait to get out there. I would be outside today, but it is blowing an absolute hoolie out there. We've had snow, we've had all sorts of things out there today. So I'm not outside, I'm still inside. I can't go away in the tin tent, but I'm getting ready for the summer. So let's unpack it. And I've got some good recipes that we can throw on this later on in the year. So let's unpack it and I'll come back to you again in a second. Okay, so we're all packed and there we go. That's what we get in the box for £115 from Camping World for the Cadac Safari Chef 2. It's 2021 and this is the high pressure version. So it's the one where the little gas canister goes underneath there. But I'll show you that shortly. So what do we get for that price? What do we get for £115? And this is, well, it's technically the same as you would get for a normal one. I say normal, for the one that you plug into a gas bottle or into the side of a caravan. It's very, very similar. Watch some of my other videos because I've added some accessories on some of the others as well. So you get to see a pizza stone as well and a paella dish as well. So you can add all those accessories to this so you can build up a really, really good piece of kit. First of all, you get this, that's the barbecue. This is the little bit of magic that does it all and is so versatile that you can do lots and lots and lots with it. You've got the control there for the gas. You've got the ignition button there. So that's all built in. And if you turn that over, you can see where that gas bottle actually will plug in there. And it's very, very simple. It's just a sort of push and twist. The other good thing about it as well because this collapses down. So you've got your legs here and they collapse down like that, which makes it very, very, very compact. See, and easy to move around. So that's really good. And you've got another one there that you can move, close that down. Perfect. Okay, let's just move that out, pop that over there. Then what else have you got that comes with it? Well, first of all, you've got, it's 2 or 3 things really. It's a grease catcher, fat catcher when you're cooking on the grill. It shelters the flame from the breeze when you're out in the fields on a campsite, so that's really, really good. I'll assemble this shortly just to give you some idea. You've got a griddle plate there that goes on, and what you've got here as well, you've got a special design in here. Now this retains the heat, so you need very little gas when you're actually cooking on that. So once that has got to a certain temperature, you can turn that gas down and then that retains the heat and you just carry on cooking. Then you've got the sort of barbecue griddle that goes on as well. Again, you've got one of those plates underneath that retains that heat. You've got a lid here if you want to pop a lid onto the barbecue and cook something in an oven-like setting. Again, you'll see that I've done quite a few things like that. So take a look on some of the other videos. But also with this, it makes a very, very good wok. That's pretty good. You can cook stir fries in there. You can do all sorts of things. Spaghetti bolognese, lots and lots of different things. So use that. That gets well used. And then you've got boiler kettle, boiler saucepan, all sits on the top of the Cadac and turns it into a nice little stove. So I'm going to assemble some of this and I'll put some of them on so you can actually see. But I'm on my own today. Mrs. T is elsewhere. I can't do it single-handedly, so I'm going to pop you onto pause again and then come back to you once I've got it up and running. So here we are. Got the legs back up again and just pop that on the top there. That sits there. Now you can see what I mean. It can catch the grease and the fat when you're actually cooking on the top there. But also if there's a slight breeze, that will protect the flame and keep things going. Then if you're cooking in a saucepan, boiling a pan or boiling a kettle, you've got a little kettle stand there, so you can pop a kettle on there. I've boiled a coffee pot on there. Again, another vlog that you can look at. A nice fresh pot of coffee on a campsite first thing in the morning. You cannot beat it. So then you can take that off. You can pop on the griddle like that. You can do burgers, you can do some bacon, you can do grilled vegetables, all sorts of things on there. We've done a nice T-bone steak. Look at the video, it was stunning. Then you've got a griddle that can sit there. This is perfect for pancakes. Do some pancakes. Cook some fresh pancakes out there in the morning. You can't beat it. Blueberries, or do some savoury pancakes. I've got some waffles that are going to be shown soon, so I'm going to do a vlog on some all different types of waffles, so keep an eye out for that video. So that's really, really good. So we've gone back to the pan stand there again. If you want, you can use it like a little oven. You can pop the lid on it. You can see what I mean there. It's just a nice little oven. You can do some steaks in there, some joints of meat, some fish. But also, if you want to, that's where it turns into a wok. And that really is fabulous. There is, so much you can do with a stir fry. All sorts of stir fries, all sorts of, you could do a curry in there. As I said, bolognese, lots and lots of different recipes. They are really, really versatile, these little bits of kit. Give it a try. Don't forget, when you get it, read the instructions. There are the instructions. They are in various languages, but also show you all types of accessories and things that you can buy. So there are lots of things you can add to it. As I said, we've got a pizza stone. I've shown you how to do a pizza, a sweet pizza and a savoury pizza. We've also got the Paella Tin, and that is another good thing. You want to kick back on a campsite, put a pan of paella on, pour a glass of wine or something fizzy, a beer or a nice sparkling flavoured water, and then you can just sit back and watch, well, people watch. What else do you do on campsites? Watch the birds, people watch nature, all sorts of things. And then, of course, we get this little bag with it as well. So all that packs down into this bag, and this is all for the £115, and then it's easy to carry. But before we do that, I just want to show you the gas canister. Okay, so here we go. There's the connection for the gas in the bottom there. And I'm not sure if you can actually see it or not, but inside that, there is a thread. I don't know if I can zoom in close enough for you to see inside there. Can you see that? Not quite. But inside there is a thread. And in that thread, you screw this gas canister. This is a Cadac canister, as you can see. And if you see down the edge there, you'll see a thread there. There we go. So all you do is you place that on that and screw it, and then that pin inside there will actually allow the gas to escape from inside there and into the barbecue. And then you hit it with the ignition button, turn the gas up, and your barbecue lights. Now, I'm not going to do it today. I'm inside, and that would be a little bit irresponsible. So I'll wait till I'm outside. But as I said, it is blowing a hoolie out there, so I can't really do that. Now, these canisters, this cost us £12.99. I've got a couple of these to keep us going. They should last quite a while. Now, my son and daughter-in-law in the Netherlands, they've got one of these, and they use this because they've got a little camper that they take around, and they've done lots of cooking on these canisters, and they say they last them a long time. So, hello Danny and Luba in the Netherlands. I hope the lockdown is not doing you any major harm, and hi to our grandson Luke. And there you go. So that goes in there. So these £12.99 each, but it gives you that flexibility of being able to take these Cadac Safari Chef high pressure barbecues out and about, and you're not having to sit near a caravan or a big gas bottle. Right, I'm going to pack it into here now, show you how it packs away, and then that's it. That's all there is to it. You've seen the other videos. If you're interested in a little gas barbecue, I cannot recommend this enough. I've been a Cadac fan now for a few years, and I think I always will be. They are so well made, such a good product. They're not endorsing me. I'm not endorsing them, as in they're not paying me to do this. So I'll just let you know that I'm saying this because I believe in the product. Okay, so let's pack it into the case, and I'll show you exactly what it all looks like once it's packed up. So there we are, all packed up nicely in its little protective case. As you can see, it all goes in there quite snug. It's not a jigsaw. You don't have to worry about working out where everything goes. It's pretty obvious how it packs up. That comes on there. You've got a nice little zipper that goes around the top that keeps that zipped up, and then round the back, look at that. You've even got a little mesh bag that you can keep your gas canister in there, so it keeps everything together. How blooming fabulous is that? Little carry handle. It's not heavy, 5 kilos. Most people can manage that. I do realise that might be heavy for some, but for little handheld, good quality barbecues, I don't think you can do any worse than that. So there you go, that's it. That's the Safari Chef 221, the high pressure one with the gas canister. If you're looking for a barbecue this year, or you're looking to replace one, and you're looking for something that is truly portable, then I think that has got to be the one. Give it a try. take a look at some reviews, and if you're looking for some cooking ideas, have a look at some of my other videos. I'm not the best cook in the world, but I hope they give you some idea. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm sure Mrs. T will be back with us again shortly. Please, please, please give us a thumbs up if you can. I would really, really appreciate that, because the more these thumbs up, the more you can help us out. Hit that subscribe button if you don't already subscribe. And, well, tell your friends. Let's have a look. Let's just hope 2021 is going to be the summer of all summers, and we can all get out there and just enjoy our country, enjoy the campsites, and have some fabulous time. Thank you very, very much for watching, and bye for now.